guys, welcome back to Super Sensations. Today we're going to be making scrunchies and I'm a Visco girl. In this video I am going to be teaching you guys how to make a scrunchie, and also I'm going to be making a scrunchie as well. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy.
Oof. Whew. So I got this sewing machine right here. So you just need to get a piece of fabric and cut it about 24.5 inches and about 5.5 inches wide. Then you fold it in half with the right side together. Now the right side is the side that you want showing in your scrunchie. So the side that you want showing, it has to be folded in. So now both of the right sides are folded together. You're just going to pin all along here so that the folds are together. So now I have pinned both the folded parts together. We are going to sew it. Remember guys, that when you sew it, don't sew the bit that is folded. Don't sew that end. Sew this end so that it joins up together and it doesn't pull apart like that. Now that's all sewn together like that, you just got to take out the pins and if you have some bits dangling down like this, then you can just trim them off by cutting it like that. Now you have sort of like a long sock thing, so what you've got to do, you've got to turn it inside out. If your material is stretchy, then that will be quite easy. But if you don't have stretchy material, what you can do is you can get a safety pin, clip it on there, and then just feed it through like that to turn it inside out. Well, right side out. Once you've turned it inside out, then you would have that with the right side that you're going to be wearing it on, like that. Next you've got to put some elastic in. So then you've got to measure out elastic 9 inches, so just here where it says 9 inches. I'm going to cut it. So now you're going to get the elastic and the safety pin, and you're going to just put the safety pin onto the elastic like that. Get your material and just feed it through like that whilst you hold the other end in your 2 fingers so it doesn't go all the way. You feed the safety pin through by pushing and pulling and push and pull. Just doing that until it goes through the elastic. So once you've worked that through the material, it's going to be all bunched up like that. And so you're going to take both ends, take the safety pin off, and just tie a knot around there with your 2 fingers like that. And so now I have a scrunchie, and you're just going to tuck the knot away like that. And as you can see, there's bits that aren't joined together. So you're just going to tuck them inside one another, do a bit of that, and then sew it. Okay, so now that is done, if you want to just trim this, it's gotten a bit bunched up because my sewing machine's a bit broken, but if you want to just trim it and then even out the ruffles a bit by doing this, and there you have a scrunchie. I'm going to take this scrunchie out. Put this one in. And oops! I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!